Well, hello there guys. Here we are again. Also for some testings to show you guys. Here we have the grenade, the antenna. Here we have the cacher. I'm using a very tunable cacher right now. Has some interesting effects. I'm not using no ferrite rod for now. I'll show you why. This is my cacher driver, which most of you are familiar with. Same specs as what Ruslan is using. This is my power supply. It's at 12 volts and 16.6 amps. But we're only using like 2, I guess, or 1. Anyway, the outputs of the grenade will be coming out and be connecting to a bridge rectifier. So we have the positive, and here we have the negative. The negative rail is also connected to the negative side of the cacher circuit, so the emitter. It's basically where the ground should be. And there we have the negative to a probe and the positive to a probe. So we'll be measuring our output. Oops. Need to focus. See, we're measuring DC. Okay, we'll be starting up the system. System is on, green light is on. Okay, just make sure that there is radiant energy. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, also an antenna. Look what I'm measuring in DC on the with the probes. See DC, man. So that's 300 and yeah, it's fluctuating, but 320, 330. Let's put it that way. It's right there. So this is a 7-watt bulb, 120 volts. So basically this is radiant. So I'm barefoot actually, as you can see. I'll be touching one of those grenade leads and I'm acting as a ground. As you can see, it lights up very beautifully, but it doesn't light up, well, almost barely on the positive rail, and the negative rail also just a bit, but both grenade leads just turn on very beautifully. But if I put it in between the 330 volts DC, I'll be having a lot of more light, like a lot of light. But as we can see, the voltage is being consumed. Alright, crazy. As you can see, I can make this act like a small spark gap and then turn the light on. See that? To show that the cacher is running, I do have a fluorescent tube. Fluorescent tube is on. As the fluorescent tube is on, we still have some voltage. Look, if I remove the fluorescent, we're going back to that. So, guys, this is what Ruslan is doing with his latest device. Don't worry, I'll be coming up with more videos. We'll be using these sorts of capacitors, especially this one. It's a 32 microfarad, 525 volt AC, but I tried it already. It pumps it very nicely with the DC that I have, and the load is incredible. Well, the discharge. Alright.